Nag-unsa ka, sir?
Mag-wire.
Kaya kagisuot si Sir Pink. Yung short pink. Yung gloves pink. Okay. Parang may something. Mahilig siya sa pink.
Something dampong.
Oo, yung short pink. Ano yun, humantulo kay ka ng isa. Kato ng sampalok. Kato ng yagi na iyang giripat. Ang wiring niya. Karang tulong mo rin naman niya. Dahil yun, karon. Nana siya ka-busy. Very handsome.
Handsome dito ni guys.
Grabe ka gwapo. Grabe po. Grabe kalabong ubuok. Ang gilay. Ang ilong. See? Perting gubuha. Kasi tawagan na sir, mong di style sa imong pag-wire. Nabray mga tawag ana. Kana sir, unsa man ha? Saman dun na.
Pasagad wiring.
Pasagad wiring? At least na ipasagad.
Pasagad wiring. Si Armisin, ngayon, dako na daw yung bonsai. Armisin. Armisin. Hoy, rural transit. Dako na daw yung bonsai.
Grabe ka, sir, no? Kaya nga pagkatanuma, ana, sir, ikaw dyan nagpadako, ana, sir, ikaw dyan nagtanong, ana.
Siyempre.
Nga, kapila na ka na, ilis-ilis, og wire, sir.
Kapila na niyan.
Naglibog na ng tanong.
Tugas niya siya guys. Tugas jinsan.
Murag kamot ba? Murag manipa.
Pagsisit ba pag ano to?
Basta ibalog-balog, sir, mo na bonsai. Basta ibalog-balog.
Lahat na nakalagay sa pot, considered as bonsai.
Why?
Try to imagine the definition, di ba? From the word Japanese, bon, meaning
What is bone?
shallow. Shallow.
What is
Bon.
sai?
Sai is planting or cultivations. So, lahat ng mailalagay natin sa pot, pero actually, it is not considered as a bonsai if they don't have branches. But some others definitions, those who are expert. So from the word bon, so is it considered all the types of the plants who are planting in the pot is considered as a bonsai? It is because they are growing. When we see sai is planting or cultivations, and you are nurturing these plants in order to grow as old tree. So that's why, because derived from the words and the Chinese for how many long years ED, mga kaibigan. It's derived from the Chinese words pinjing. Pinjing. Ang tawag na it is considered before. Because the Chinese is the one to first develop ornamental plants in the pot, or developing dwarf trees in the pot. So that's why Chinese army before didn't like to ears to be in this generations. It's considered for bonsai. And then the Japanese redefine and redevelop all the types of the concept from the Chinese. So that's why mayroon tayong tinatawag na ganito. Bonsai.
Unsa nga first nga tanom sir nga gihimo nilang bonsai?
For me, ito, tamarin. Dami. Sa akin, dami. Yo.
Unsay masuggest nimo sir nga pwede i-bonsai?
You can, you make a bonsai, the trees who are not, not maselan, yung madaling mabuhay. Tugas. You know, in Philippines, exotic here is tugas.
Dahan na pug namatay sa imo sir.
Dami ho. Namatay lang, dami.
Saktan ka ba?
Yes, siyempre. It is our alaga. It's our bonsai. So, there is something would happen to them. Shall be to be subjected to our to be here. Mga kaibigan. Para yung nasasaktan, para tayo
Yung nakahiga ka, sabi mo, sayang, amoy namatay. Kahit matutulog ka na, sabihin mo, sayang.
sayang. Yes. Sayang actually.
Inalagaan mo nilang years, manawala.
Alagaan mo na lang to.
Parang uyab.
Nabaw pa ni sa uyab.
Ha?
Nabaw pa sa uyab. Uyab, pwede man ilisan. Ang bonsai, ganun may ilisan.
Ito, sir?
Ang bonsai, di may ilisan. Ang uyab, may ilisan mo na.
Pero at least ang asawa, di may lisan.
Dugangan.
Yaga-yaga o
Yes.
Pero, the beneficiary is the wife, right?
Yeah.
Only the wife, right?
Only the wife who are the beneficiary of all that. Be careful.